got Mr. Mallana Sasalu joining in on the show right now. Mr. Sasalu, great to have you today on ET Now. Your first quarter numbers, they've clearly seen quite a strong pre-sale growth. Tell me, what have been the key drivers behind this robust number?
Thank you, Aisha. Thank you for having me on the show. Yes, we have had a very good quarter so far. 1,439 crore rupees of sales we did, as against 1,124 crores which we had in the same quarter of the last year. So it is again driven by, if you look at our numbers, at 1.25 million square feet is what we had sold in the first quarter of the last year. But this year we sold 1.36 million square feet, which is only 9% up the last year. The difference is coming from our realization per square feet from 8,900 rupees per square feet to we've gone beyond 10,200 rupees per square feet. So that is where the difference is coming up. The quality of the products has gone up. And also we've taken the prices up in several markets. So that is contributing to the outcome. Apart from that, we've also done very good collection this year. As against 857 crores, we've done 1,198 crore rupees of collection, which is around 40% up. So all in all, we've had a very good quarter so far.
But Mr. Sasalu, hi, this is Harsh here as well. So the guidance is to get you to FY27 pre-sales number of 11,000 crore. Am I right?
That is correct. So I think the second and the third and the fourth quarter are going to be stronger. If you really take a look at, if you take 11,200 crores and divide that by 4, it looks like the numbers are marginally lower. But we have not had any launches in this quarter. I think in the second quarter, we have lined up around 4 launches. And whenever we do launches, we have done extremely well. We sell anywhere from 30 to 50% of the stock in our launches. And then it goes into sustenance. So we're still confident about hitting our targets of 11,200 crores.
The launch pipeline for FY27, could you give us a sense of that?
So we've lined up around 14.77 million square feet for selling, and around 24,000 crore rupees is the total GDV of those launches. And it's around 25 projects to be launched. And out of which I think 7 or 8 are projects which are already launched, but whatever the remaining phases is going to be launched. Otherwise, 18 fresh launches are there, 14 coming from Bangalore, 3 from Cochin, and 2 from Chennai, 1 from Coimbatore, and 3 from Mumbai. So I think we are quite well spread this year. And also I think across the next 3 quarters, you will see a number of launches that will be done.
The other thing I wanted to talk about, Mr. Sasalu, was the fact that your average realizations have improved significantly this quarter. Is this primarily driven by price hikes, a richer product mix, or would you say it's just overall stronger demand on ground?
I think all 3 of them combined. Basically, I think the products are a little bit richer, and I think that is where we are moving as Puravankara. So that's one of the reasons. And the other one is the sales are strong and we've taken the prices up as well. And that's the reason the per square feet cost price has gone up.
Okay. And with regard to the collections as well, the guidance is double digit. Could you quantify that in terms of a number? I believe you did 4,200 odd crore last year. What would the full year guidance likely be? Because you've already done 1,200. I'm trying to understand whether that will be materially higher given the launches that you have in store.
See, the collections is a function of how much we are building. So as you can see that the collection has gone up by 40% in this quarter means that we are building a lot. That means we're hitting milestones consistently, and that's why the collections are up. For the FY26 full year, that we are looking at around 4,416 crore rupees of collection, as against 4,260 crore rupees last year. Because most of the projects are going to be new launches, which means that for them to reach a level wherein the collections are going to become stronger, as you will see that the coming years, the collections are going to be stronger, and that is when the projects are going to get mature.
Okay, Mr. Sasalu, great to have you today on the show. Thank you so much for your time.